Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mimi and I am a psychiatrist and a makeup artist. And if you love makeup tutorials, reviews, and DIYs and all these lovely girly stuff, consider subscribing so you have a notification when I upload new video on my channel. And if you are a subscriber already and you're coming back to my channel, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you all here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about a mascara review, of course, as you read in the title, and it's this one from Essence. It's Essence I Need a Miracle mascara. It's lash plus lash tinting complex, volumizing and strengthening mascara. So this is what I have here in the packaging. So as you can see, the first thing I'm gonna talk about as usual is the packaging. The packaging looks so beautiful. Actually, it's kind of a unique one. I love kind of a bulky packaging of the mascara. So it's kind of having this lovely bulky in a really feminine way with this black. It's a matte black color, which is pretty good, and have this purple writing in it. So overall, I love the packaging. It's so unique. I didn't see anything like this before, so it's kind of a unique packaging, so I love it. Going inside and see the mascara and the brush. The brush is not silicone, it's a regular brush, and in the same time have this like a curved rounded shape. The bristles is long on the both sides, a little bit shorter on in the middle part, so it'll give you this kind of a curly all around thing. And it's still a small one. I don't love this regular kind of a brush. I love silicone more because it's more like flexible with my eye, but this one is very convenient for my small eye because I have kind of a small eye, so it's really easy for me to apply mascara. And at the same time, this convex shape of the bristle make it so easy for me to apply the mascara from underneath and from above. Of course, if you have a long lashes like mine, you know that you need to coat your lashes from both sides so you have a very nice and even coat. So for me, it's kind of a difficult, especially my lashes a little bit like long and curl to the back. So if I have a long bristles or a bigger brush, I will smudge everywhere. It will be a disaster. So for me, the brush shape and the bristle shape is so important for me to have with the mascara, of course, but the brush is so important, so I have a really nice clean application on the mascara every time I use it. You know, I don't want to mess up anything. So this is for the brush. It's so amazing. It's so convenient for me. And for the mascara itself, it's super soft and super black. I love black mascara because my lash is a little bit like a golden brown color. So when I apply even a very thin coat of the very black mascara, it just show up my lashes. So if I am in a hurry on something, I need a really black one. So just apply and go. So it's very black and very nice. And now I'm gonna leave you with one coat and two coats of this mascara over one eye, comparing to my bare eye, so you can see the difference between before and after, and two coats and before. So let's go. Okay, for the staying power in this mascara, it's really amazing, can stay for a really long time. I love wearing it when I'm at work. I just wear it for like maybe 5 or 6 hours, especially in a kind of a hot weather, and doesn't smudge underneath my eye. It stays on for like forever. It's so amazing. So the staying power is pretty good for this one. And for smudging, as I said before, it doesn't smudge underneath my eyes during the day, which is pretty nice. And in the same time, it doesn't make any band eyes when I wash my face. So it's really important for me, especially I use a very black mascara. So if it's really intense black, some mascara can cause like a really black band eye. Doesn't want to go, it just stays on. This one doesn't make any band eye after I washed my eyes eyes like twice. I just wash my eyes gently before I wash my face. I just wash it and just leave a really small rim of mascara over my lashes, on the base of my lash, because I concentrate the mascara on the base of my lashes. And just leave a really like very nice rim to the next day. It doesn't bother me at all, just like I'm applying kohl or something. But for the band eyes, like having underneath your eyes a really black color, doesn't that cause that. It's so gentle and it wash up really easily. So for me, the conclusion of this review, I love this mascara so much. I so recommend it, and of course I'm gonna try it again. I love it. Everything about it is perfect. Like the packaging is so bulky and beautiful, and the brush is so convenient and so nice for me. It's not silicone, yes, but it's really nice for me, and I love the shape of this kind of convex like shape of like mascara wands. The mascara itself is so amazing, so soft, stays on and doesn't smudge, doesn't cause any band eyes. So this one is a thumb up for everything. So yeah, this is for this review. I really hope you like it, and as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. I'm sorry I have a little bit of cold, so yeah, it's not cool. So this is it for this video. I really hope you like it and it was helpful for you. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.